Honest to God, can somebody please go back to my other Pac-Man video and see if it's like the same music from like 15 years ago that they used again? On that atrocity of a game that was Pac-Man The New Adventures 2, whatever it was. I think it's the same music. Who the fuck are these people?
Cersei, we're here.
Who are these people?
As fast as we could.
It sounded important.
No.
Why would Cersei call us and then not be here when we showed up?
Why? Why did they give Pac-Man the default anime main character voice?
Whoa!
Sorry about that. Didn't mean to drop in on you unexpected.
Alright, who are all these characters? Is there an entire world of these fucking freak shows? There's an entire world of these freak show Pac-Man things.
Hey, Miss G, what's up?
Pac-Man's like in school.
Classes.
Remember when Pac-Man went to college, guys? Do you remember that? That was my favorite Pac-Man. Pac-Man 3, University Woes. Yes, Mrs. Stevenson, I would like to... My homework is gone. Pac-Man's like 60 years old. How is he in like high school or college, whatever the hell this is? And what the fuck is this little thing? What is that?
Hi, Fuzzbits. Having fun?
This was... Why did they make up this whole world of alien characters for Pac-Man's high school reunion? What is this Saturday morning cartoon? Is there a new Pac-Man cartoon coming out, or is there one already out? Like, this is very fishy to me. I've never seen a new Pac-Man cartoon, but I feel like they're trying to push a cartoon here. Yeah, there is. There's a new Pac-Man cartoon. It apparently came out a few months ago, and I've never heard of it. This whole game makes more sense now. This entire game makes more... Let's just fucking get back to... Let's play. I highly doubt I'm going to take 1 point of damage through this whole video. I'm going to... Burger. They have cheeseburgers in the game? It's the best game I've ever played. I'd like to eat it. Okay, that was harder than I should have been. Alright, so here's the thing. If I take 1 point of damage, then I will give Stars $100 back, okay? Alright, can we just pretend that didn't happen? I gotta send it back. Getting your $100 back. I already spent it.
You'll need to collect more zucchinis to play that game.
Oh, what? I want to play the zucchini game. I want to play the Zucchini Simulator, the most realistic zucchini simulation. What about this one? Come on.
The pineapple tank game won't work until you've collected more pineapples.
Oh, fuck you. What about this one? Oh, the lemon game won't work until you've collected 12 lemons.
That lemon rocket game is fun.
Told you.
But you need to collect more lemons to play it.
Okay, sure. Shut up. Oh, that ice cream game is fun, but you need to collect more ice cream cones to be able to play it. No, actually, it's free. Okay, so let's talk about avoiding enemies in this game. As long as you just move a centimeter, they will not touch you. Let's see just how much hit detection there is in this game. Where'd he go? Where did he go? Did he fall off and die? It's okay, Ghost. I've done that. I've done that as well. Cheese! I have like a giant ice tongue. That sucked. What the hell is the point of that? It's much easier just clicking X on people and them dying instantly than doing a skill shot on someone. Would you like to click on them and have them auto-lock die, or would you like to use skill shots in Pac-Man, The New Adventure 2, The Ghastly Gibbous Adventures?
Everybody chill.
Hi.
My name is Pac-Man. I hope that I'm in Super Smash Bros. Brawl as a new playable. Hi. My name is Mr. Pac-Man.
You fucking piece of shit. I'm trying to do like a bit here.
So I'm gonna say yes.
I'd like to meet your dentist.
Clyde, good to see you.
Look at this guy's like
Why?
perfect teeth.
Have I been turning invisible again?
Sick dentist you got.
Hey, Clyde, what's up?
Hey Clyde, seen any new Pokemon lately? Cause I'm Ash Ketchum. Alright, I gotta get out of here. I'm like freaking out at this that he's in school.
You're doing great out there.
No, there he is, Professor Nosehair. Hey, Professor Nosehair, how are you?
Hey, Cersei.
Actually, I'm a little busy right now. Maybe you should get back out there.
Hey, don't you scold me. You're the asshole that put like the minimal lemon amount and minimal pineapple amount on the arcade machines out there. You're a tyrant and a scumbag. Good day. No, you know what? Fuck you. I'm not gonna keep it PG in Pac-Man. What's this robot? Get out of
Hey,
here, tin
driver.
can. R2-D2 looking motherfucker.